Hi, my name is Avijeet Thakur and I am from Kolkata, India. I'm having around 4.5 years of experience. Most of my experience include WordPress websites, including Elementor, making UI with Figma, and communicating with clients regarding the projects from ideation till delivery. Why I am in this industry is because I enjoy making websites. That is one thing. Second is that whenever like we are in the ideation phase, so whenever I get to speak with the customer about, or let's say the client about the idea that they have in mind about the websites or about the digital presence, and with the continuous work, we make that thing live when the client says that yes, I like this thing, this is what I was looking for, or this is much better than what I was looking for. That actually gives me a sense of satisfaction. I'm using this mic for better audio quality. I am also learning new things, always learning new things, which include, as of now, I'm learning about AI automations and engineering, and I wanted to get into in detail so that I can make websites which are not proper user friendly, or let's say making leads, but it is also solving the business problem as well, which I have also mentioned in my previous answer. And why I think that I should do AI automation is because I believe that I am the person who is working, talking with the client, or let's say understanding the business objective at all. So I can actually suggest in a more better automation, or I can make more simple and workable automation that actually solve the business need. So my idea is to make it functional, make it conversion friendly rather than adding extra features. So that is why I wanted to get into automations as well, so that I can not only make websites, but I also can make automation that actually solve business problem. Why I wanted to join Collision is there are many reasons for that. One is that it's an international setup, and I do like working with international setups. It actually gives me a sense of fulfillmentless, that I am working for a setup where things are very fast paced, and I am in the top 5% of the IT service company in the world, and I am getting my hands on it. I'm having great exposure, right? Along with that, I can also work with an international set of people. My colleagues will be from other places, and I can learn new things. I can get to know about things in a more faster and a more better manner. And I want us. Third reason is I wanted to work in a very stable environment so that I can focus on providing value and focus on providing learning new things and fixing my internal problems if I have something, and also learn new things rather than thinking about job security and other things. So it is a very stable place for, in my opinion. So that is why. Um, why you should hire me? I would say that I have already explained that I have experience working with WordPress and Elementor and already learning about automation. So automation is going to be the future, and I could be the right person for the for this kind of roles. A website developer who is also working in automations as well. I am a quick learner, so I learn things very quickly, and I also do implement things very quickly. I learn from a mistake, and I can take ownership. So that is another reason why you should hire me. That I can take ownership of things. I can communicate with the clients. So you're I also follow sprint, and I also try to make communication very clear with the client, with the company, and everyone. So yes, and third reason will be that I am a responsible person. I try to submit my projects on time. Anyway, like I do take my job very seriously. So submit things on time and submit my work in a very efficient and very a professional manner. So yes, that could be a reason. That's it for me from my end. Thank you so much for giving the opportunity, and thank you so much for us sharing this assignment. It helped me a lot to get about learn about the job, and thank you so much for your time.